Hey guys, this is just a quick status update and I suppose a trailer of sorts to that project. I already started posting about this project in forums, so some of you already know about it. I figured I might as well just get it out there. The basement, it's been so freaking hot and humid this summer, I haven't done much. 1 or 2 days that were tolerable when I started taking out one of the walls. But otherwise, the past month, I really haven't done much of anything. Finally, today may be the last day where we're in the 80s with 80% humidity. Looks like it'll be in the 60s and maybe 50s at night coming up. So I plan on really diving into that. I got my crowbar ready. Meanwhile, I've been in the backup workshop working on this radio. I know some of you prefer TV projects, you prefer shorter segments. This is not for you. If any of you want to see a good old-fashioned, old-school, classic model, super detailed, we're going to use basic tools, troubleshooting, all kinds of great stuff. It's going to be a long ride, but I think it's going to be value-packed too. I hope you enjoy it, and that is going to be a Philco 90 from 1931. While I work on the basement, that workshop is shut down. I do have a bunch of TVs from customers. Not the ones you've seen so far. I got more coming in. I think 2 more Predictors, maybe 3, and a classic Westinghouse, plus my own stuff. Ton of TV projects. I want to get that workshop all prepped and ready. It's a mess down there right now. So meanwhile, we're going to work on this. First segment coming up soon. Stay tuned. That's all for now.